Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. Today we are going to be working on this autumn centerpiece that my mom has had for a very long time. I think she got it at Sam's Club years and years ago, and she's been asking me to give it a Christmas lift for a very long time now, so today is the day. I used a wire cutter and also just ripped out some of these flower arrangements, and then the foam that's underneath was really stuck to the bottom. I had to cut the wires to actually release it because it was a little too hard to stick the new flowers and everything inside of it. I ended up using some leftover styrofoam that we had. I ended up just crumpling up some brown paper bags and using it as kind of like a filler. My mom's been asking me to do this since last year, so she's really been collecting little pieces for this project. So there's quite a selection of what I can use. I didn't end up gluing the styrofoam to the basket because I figured it might just be easier if I eventually want to switch out for each season the arrangements and everything. It'll be easier if I don't glue it on, and it was pretty stuck in place with paper bags around it. So I just kind of arranged everything the way I thought it would look nice, and my mom was there checking in, and I was making sure she was liking the way it was going. So I did that until we were pretty happy with how it looked. And we did add some red berries towards the end because we thought it was going to be a little more neutral, but I feel like to keep it that wintry Christmas feel, the red needed to be added. We love how wintry and Christmassy this ended up turning out, and the good thing is if you want to do something like this, you can go to your local thrift store. They usually have a lot of baskets that people want to get rid of, or they also have some floral decor at the thrift stores. And if you want, you can also check your local craft stores. A lot of the time they have really good sales. We have been decorating for Christmas lately, and this tree is so beautiful. My mom has been collecting ballerina ornaments for the past decade, I think, because she always wanted to have a ballerina themed Christmas tree. And this year she finally has her tree. I just think the details are so beautiful, and it's very much her style, and I love it so much. As much as I love sharing all of my mom's decorations, I really can't wait to share our decorations with you guys once we finally move into our first home next year. And I just want to thank you guys so much for being here and subscribing, watching my videos. I have gained so many subscribers this year, and I'm so thankful for each and every one of you. Thank you for being here and supporting me. And I have so many things planned for this season, so I hope that you stay, and I hope to see you next time.